interlock your elbow here, and please shoulder level distance between your feet. Inhale, move your hand towards the right side and your left heel up. Stretch your hand, stretch your upper body, upper back. Exhale down, please. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, like exhale down, inhale up and hold, please. Stretch your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale down, please. Inhale up, stretch tight, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back, please. Long inhale and exhale now. Relax, please. Inhale your both hand up. Stretch your hand up here, please. Engage the core inside here. Exhale, bend your body towards the right side. Look up. Right side, you have to bend your body. Right side. Inhale up. Exhale, other side. Maximum stretch, please. You focus on side ribs. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale, other side. Maximum bend, please. Your hip. Inhale up. Go with the breath. Exhale, other side. Maximum stretch your body. Tight. Don't lose. Inhale up. Try to stay there also. Up. Exhale, other side, please, and hold there, please. 1. You focus on side dips. 2. Maximum bend. 3. Go. 4. 5. Stretch your arms, please. 6. Maximum. 7. 8. Ma'am. 9. 10. At least 10 hold. Inhale up. Exhale, other side. 1. 2. Stretch, please. 3. Bend. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Relax, please. Take a couple more breaths here, please. Now, little bit apart your feet, please. Okay. Little bit forward. Yes, it's okay. Now, inhale, join to palm like here. Inhale here and exhale. Just twist your body towards the right side and move your left foot also. Long inhale here. Upper body should be straight and exhale other side. Okay. Now inhale here. Do with me. Inhale. Bend your knee. Okay. Your knee not outside from your toe. Inhale. Now exhale. Twist, please. Leg straight here, madam. Inhale. Exhale. Other side. Yes. Long inhale. Exhale. Maximum twist on shoulder level. Okay. Long inhale. Yes. Inhale. Exhale. Long inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Long inhale and hold there, please. Long inhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, down. 5, spine straight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale up. Sorry, exhale other side. Come on. Maximum twist, please. Look at hand here. 1. More twist, please. 2. Look here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Relax, please now. Your both hand back and interlock. Stretch your hand here, long inhale. Exhale, bend back here like that. Inhale up. Exhale down, forward. Forward, please. Inhale up. Up. Exhale, bend back. Yes, maximum back. Inhale up. Exhale down, forward. According to you, please. How much you can do. आप जितना आराम से कर सकते हैं, according to your body उतना ही करेंगे. Inhale up. Exhale, bend back. Bend back, please. Stretch your hand. Stretch your hand. Open your heart region. Inhale up. Exhale down, forward. Maximum stretch, please. Tight, tight. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale, bend back. And hold there, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch, please. 5. Stretch. 6. Elbow stretch. 7, 8, 9. 10. Inhale up. Exhale down, forward. Forward, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Now, please. Apart your leg, please. Face my side. Apart your leg, please. Yes. Gap between your leg, please. Long inhale. Now interlock both hands. Long inhale. Exhale. Bend your right knee and your head down towards your right foot like that here. Inhale up. Exhale other side. Do slowly. How much you can do? Yes, very good, not bad. Inhale up. Inhale up. बहुत अच्छा है. Exhale down, forward. Yes. Inhale up. Up. Come up, ma'am. शीशा करो. Up. Exhale down. In the side. Side, please. Here, side. Okay. Inhale up. Balance. Exhale other side. Yes, maximum. Close your head towards your foot. Inhale up. Not bad. Very good. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 1. Hold there, please. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale up. Exhale other side, please. Close your head towards the foot. Come on. Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Long inhale and exhale. Shake your leg, please. Shake your leg. Long inhale and exhale. Shake your leg, please. Now, please, mat level distance between your feet. Okay, mat level distance. Now bend your knee. Yes, and catch your ankle with both hands and look forward, please. Here. Yes. Look forward. सामने देखिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Relax, please. Long inhale and exhale. Shake your leg, please. Now your right leg fold and catch with both hands. Just try to close your knee towards the body and hold here, please. Try to balance your body here. 1, 2. Yes, look forward. Your gaze on a fixed point. 3, 4, 5, 6, yes, 7, 8, catch here, 9, 10. Relax, please. Relax your body now. Switch your leg, please. Catch with both hand, other leg, and close here, leather. Close towards the body. 1, slowly. 2, catch. Look forward. 3, spine straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Shake leg, please. Long inhale and exhale. Relax your breath and your body. Take a deep inhale and exhale here. Now, again you have to wide your leg, please. Again. Yes. And you hand down here like that, please. Between. And look forward here. First come in this position, please. Now your hand bring together. Close. And now your right hand up. Your left hand between your feet. Your right hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now bend your left knee and just try to bend your left elbow also. Left knee bend and your right hand up. According to you, please. Left knee, left hand up. Left knee bend, left hand down, right hand up. Yes, not bad. Very good. You can down like that, no problem. 1, as well as comfortable, please. 2, 3, 4, 5, अच्छा, 6, 7, hand up. 8, 9, 10 down here. Now inhale up. Now your right hand down between your hand, feet, left hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bend your left elbow, right elbow bend, sorry, right elbow bend, right knee also bend, please. Left hand up. Yes, according to you, please. 1, 2, very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Now you have to catch both ankle with both hand and look between your leg. Keep straight leg, please. Keep straight leg. Shisha ma'am, little bit close the leg, please. Shisha garu, little bit more close the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Now close the leg, please. And shake the leg. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Relax your body and your breath. Come top of your mat, please. Now, no. Your both hand up, please. Stretch your hand upside, please. And bend your right knee here, please. Like here, like that. And hold. 1, like 90 degree only. 1, look forward, balancing asana. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't down, please. Right leg move back side here. And Veerbhadasana third. Make a T shape with your body. Veerbhadasana third. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Try to balance. 8. Come on. 9, 10. Now drop your hand on a mat and your right leg stretch upside, please. Maximum stretch upside. Yes. Maximum stretch upside, please. Keep your leg high. 1, 2, 3. Comfortable नहीं है तो you can bend. 4, 5, 6, 7. Balance. 8, 9. Relax please. Both leg together and shake your leg. You can do according to your body please. Shake your leg. Yes. Now again your both hand up please. And your left leg fold only 90-degree angle like here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your left leg move back please. Virabhadrasana third here. Make it T shape with your body. Virabhadrasana third. Yes. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 5, 6. Hand forward. 7, 8. Sapna ji. 9, 10. Now drop your hand on mat and your left leg up. Drop your hand on mat according to you please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax please. Long inhale. Exhale. Shake your leg please. Come up ma'am. Take a deep inhale and exhale.